Last week, our Heavenly Father sent us another encouraging token for good in answer to our daily prayers. Psalm 86:17. Show me a token for good, that they which hate me may see it and be ashamed, because thou, Lord, hast opened me, help me, and comfort me. The Lord sent a world-class whopper of a
The following message is transmitted at the request of the DeKalb and Marshall County Emergency Management Agencies. Local states of emergency continue early this morning for DeKalb and Marshall counties. Due to widespread treacherous road conditions, many of the roads in both counties are reported to be impassable due to snow and black ice. Roads that have not been officially closed are still likely to be slick and hazardous. In addition, temperatures will remain well below freezing over the next several days, and attempts to salt some highways have been ineffective due to the very cold weather. Travel in both DeKalb and Marshall counties will remain extremely hazardous, at least through early this morning. County officials request that all traffic be limited to emergency travel only.